This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mixing dry ingredients quickly so you don't overwork the dough. Combine 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Whisk to aerate. Next, measure 1/3 cup of oil or 1/3 cup thick Greek yogurt, either replaces butter. You want the fat cold, chill it 10 to 15 minutes if needed. Once done, cut or fold the fat into the dry mix until the texture is coarse crumbs. Make sure not to overmix. Now you add liquid carefully. Pour about 3/4 cup cold milk or buttermilk in stages and stir until the dough just comes together. This prevents toughness. Once it holds, turn it onto a lightly floured surface and fold it over itself 3 to 4 times to create layers. That's how you get lift without butter. Pat the dough to a 1/2 inch thickness rather than rolling aggressively. That preserves air pockets. Make sure to keep your hands cool to avoid melting the fat alternate. You cut biscuits using a 2-inch cutter, pressing straight down without twisting so seams stay sealed. Place them close on a baking sheet for better rise and bake at 425 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes until golden on top. Once done, brush with a little oil or milk to add shine. If your biscuits end up dense, check your technique. Don't overmix, keep fat cold. And next batch, try increasing baking powder by 1/4 teaspoon to boost lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.